Hello and welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use simple yet powerful field customization features to make sure LeadMaster fits your business needs. There are many different ways to customize fields in LeadMaster. Before you can customize fields in LeadMaster, you'll need to access administration. If you don't see the admin tab at the top of the bar, you won't be able to use these features. LeadMaster has all the normal fields you would expect for tracking contacts and sales leads, as well as tools for tracking assignments and sales progress. But every business has unique information that also needs to be tracked. This is where custom forms come in. A LeadMaster custom form is a blank page where you can enter as many fields as you want. The forms come in a variety of formats and you can have as many fields as you want. Custom forms are extremely versatile for capturing, storing, and displaying information in LeadMaster. A few examples of how forms can be used are call guides and scripts, capturing website inquiries, storing customer profile information, and creating customer service feedback surveys. Custom forms are searchable. You can import data directly into custom fields, and you can create reports from custom forms. Creating a custom form is easy. To start, click on the administration, and then click on Custom Forms and Quotes, and then select View, Add, and Edit Custom Forms. This page shows you a list of custom forms. It shows you the form date created, a link to the form, whether or not it's required for adding new records, and the form type. Let's create a new custom form by clicking the Add Custom Form. There are several options for forms. To start, give it a form name. Next is the response page, which is where the customer will be taken once they click Submit. Then, do you want this to be able to attach to form records? Typically, we want to be able to attach the form, so for now I will select Yes. And I will leave the rest of the answers as No for now. You can always come back and change the answers later. Select the date format, and finally, select the type of form. There are different types of form for custom forms. First, the supplemental form, which can be attached to records and opens in a new window. Next is the web form, which is the same as the supplemental form. With the additional feature, it can be available for data input via the internet. The third type is called the sales form. It is the same as the supplemental form, with the addition of being able to be embedded on the sales update page. The sales update can be triggered or made available on the campaign page in LeadMaster. This is a great feature if you are running multiple campaigns at once and want the information to gather and display unique information by campaign. Next is the feedback form, which is embedded at the end of the sales update page and usually contains information regarding the quality of the lead. The HTML form is a basic HTML form that can be customized with certain text and inlines. Case forms are unique forms that allow customers to report any issue they may experience. And finally, the opportunity form appears in the sales opportunity section of the edit, profile, and sales update pages and can be customized by work group. Custom forms have a unique variety of uses and can track whatever you need. For the demonstration, I'm going to set a custom form that can track job applications. I'm going to use a web form because it can accept data from the internet. Start adding fields to the custom form by clicking the Design button. Then go to New Question link under the Sections option. This opens a window where you can select the type of field you like on the form. The options are Label, a text field which can be defined as text, number, or date, an encrypted text field which can also be text, number, or date, a text area field which can contain up to 5,000 characters, a radio field where you can select one choice, a checkbox where you can select more than one choice, a single select dropdown, a multi-select dropdown, a field that totals numbers, and finally, an upload field. Let's start by adding a text field to hold the applicant's name. Click on the text to enter the name of the field. In this case, it's first name. You can specify the field length, the maximum number of characters, the type of data this field will contain, if it's required to enter something, if it's read-only, if it's editable in reports, what order it sits on the custom form, and if you want, you can map it to the field in the database. After you finish adding fields to your custom form, it may look something like this. Before you can start using your custom form, you need to compile the form by going to the custom form options and clicking the compile button. That's all there is to creating a custom form. Now your form is ready for use. In the next video, I'll show you some of the ways you can use custom forms, like how to search a custom form, how to clone a custom form, how to edit profile fields in a custom form, and how to map a custom form to a web form.